Hi, I'm Tania from Novale Bathrooms. Today we're here at our completed Glenwood project. We're going to go in and say hi to the owners Slav and Kay and talk about their Novale experience. So let's head on in.
Because they were tired and they needed to be updated to go with the rest of the house.
Yes, but more importantly I feel was the fact that there was a water leak, so that made the renovations urgent and essential. That was a funny story. Actually, we'd never heard of Novale before we had to undertake our renovations. And the first we heard of your name was through one of your opposition, who said to us, "Oh, we're pretty good, we're top of a heap, but the only real competition we've got is Novale." So I twigged up here in the memory banks and we looked it up and we got a quote from Novale and took it from there.
Well, I'm over the moon with it because the process for me was a bit daunting, and right from the beginning we had a great assistance with choosing the tiles, to the tradesmen, right down to the last person that cleaned and did the tiling, the plumbers, everybody. The experience was very, very good, and the outcome has been brilliant.
I was impressed with the assistance given through the design stage, the guy running it, Brian and Cameron, the foreman. They walked us through what we could expect over the full 8 weeks on a day-by-day basis, and every tradesman we had on site was a very personable, very likeable, very respectable sort of guy, and they were fun to have around, to be quite honest. The standout to me was definitely the people. Every one of them was very sociable, very friendly, kept us up to date and fully informed as to every bit that we could expect, and nothing was too much trouble for them.
I would definitely recommend, because of the fact that the way everything went so smooth and that somebody was here every day telling us what was going to happen. The finished product is enough for me.
No, well, that's right. The finished product was exceptional, and it far exceeded our expectations, to be honest. Far exceeded that. We thought we'd get something pretty schmick, but we're absolutely delighted and thrilled with it all. But would we recommend Novale? Without hesitation.